Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I am back. I'm honestly so hyped about riding this bike. I love it so much. Deep down in my heart, I'm an R1 guy. Besides the H2, those who are like kind of, you know, those are my babies. Those are like my first leader bikes I started the channel with, pretty much, that I rode the most. Yeah, I don't know what about it, but something is special about the R1s, honestly. I miss riding. In the start I was like, whoa, this feels a little weird, because the clutch on this bike is so weird. Like, you have to give it a little bit of gas so it can go smoothly. We're just going on a little chill group ride. What's up?
What up, guys? Pressure drop.
Huh? What's up? Look at her, she's all dusty. It's so sad.
I've been riding this bike so long.
Yeah, you were the last one to ride it.
Really?
Yep.
That is too ugly, mine, but these are so nicer. So
Yeah, I like the older ones too, but your side is better.
what?
Your side? Your side is better because this one breaks.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this one breaks and it starts like flapping this piece.
Mine doesn't have.
Yeah, yours is like one piece. It's different. Mine is two different pieces.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, so you have the better side. I like my front better.
I finally got my permit.
Oh, look at you! He's legal.
Yeah, he has the one, like the yellow one, this red Ducati. Yeah, they were racing, right? Oh, yeah.
Bro, it's so dusty. I feel so sad. This poor bike. It needs to be out a little more. Huh? Shredded, boy. Yeah, they're the same tires from my last track session, so
How do you like that tire?
it's my favorite.
Yeah, I had that one on before that one. And I had the Russell Trees.
Oh, those are definitely like a little more grippy.
I like this one more. You don't have to wait as long to warm them up.
Yeah.
It's take forever to.
Ooh, he has the Acura. Let me hear it.
Alright, just tune it. Go ride it.
I know.
Go ride it. Please. Go.
Why do you want me to ride your bike so bad?
Just try to see how fast it is.
I mean, I'm tuned too.
Yeah, but mine is faster than yours.
Alright, fine. Hey. Ah, it's so much more quiet. Whoa, the handlebars are different. Mine has aftermarket handlebars. Oh, your regular. What the brake is this? Your regular shifting, right? I know. What the hell?
It's all the way down.
So different than mine. Should have been the same. Whoa, this bike feels different. I have aftermarket rear sets. So I was like, where is it? Where's the rear brake? Not gonna lie, I think his feels a little more responsive than mine. Mine is definitely a little more like sluggish. way more like touchy, but like the power doesn't feel very smooth on it. Wee woo, wee woo. Yeah, his clutch release is so far back. The nice thing about this one is that you can actually easily adjust it from here because it's cable, it's not hydraulic like my V4R, or I think the H2 is hydraulic as well, so those I can't really adjust. But yeah, it feels very, very different. He has BMW M lever guards on an R1. I'm dead. Sounds pretty good. It's very like quiet idling, and it's loud when you're higher in the RPM. It's very different than the Toast. The Toast is like always loud. Oh, I did not know the road ends here. That's why I never go balls out on unfamiliar roads. Yeah, his throttle is definitely a little like more sensitive than mine. His clutch is a little different.
Now what do you think? Who is faster?
I think yours is actually more torquey down low. Right. Mine picks up better up top, you know what I mean? But this one, like down low is very like torquey. This one is not like that. Mine is not like that. We'll race right now.
I'll grab Steve for sure. Like 100%.
Actually?
Yeah. I got them stuck. Now I'm gonna have it.
Damn, Steve.
You got me what?
Damn, Steve.
Let me ask the question again. You got me what? That's what I thought.
It doesn't feel smooth, you know what I mean?
Right.
Is that a 190?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, it looks smaller.
Yeah, I put a 190. It's better for going fast in a straight line.
Yeah, I have a 190 on that. By mistake.
If anybody gets pulled over, I got that ticket for them.
I feel like my throttle response is like way smoother. The other one's a little jerky, but I'm pretty sure like you can get used to it. Just for now. Ah, 2 R1s, 2 S1000s. like neck and neck the whole time. Besides me redlining it a couple of times. Same thing. It's like neck and neck the whole time. I was looking, I was like, we're not going anywhere. But yeah, sadly I couldn't go all the way with them. I have to go back, got stuff to do, but I still wanted to take out the R1, you know, dust it out a little bit. I miss riding it, to be honest. It's a fun bike to ride. I don't know, now that I'm riding this, like I feel like I can't judge yet. I was just thinking about the next track day, because it'd either be like take the R1M again or take the RSV4, and I'm not sure, because the RSV4 like does feel a bit more powerful, but this one has that mid-range torque, and I don't know, it feels like very stable, and I don't know, it's just like it's a very well made solid bike, so it's a really tough choice. I'm like positive that I'll get better times with the RSV4. Also, I can't like fully tell because that bike is not tuned, doesn't have an exhaust, it's pretty much bone stock. So I can't like fully judge yet or choose. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments which bike you guys think I should take to the track. Should I take the R1M or the RSV4 1100 factory? I'm leaning more toward the RSV4 just because I want to try something a little different. You know, this bike is an amazing track bike, but I want to take the other bike and just kind of like compare, you know. It was a lot of fun riding this bike today. Honestly, I really missed it, but I don't know, maybe I should ride it more often. But just like the H2, like I've already filmed so much content with this bike and the H2, so I'm like, you know, like it's fun to ride, but for the content for you guys, you know, I want to ride the new bikes more, and yeah, just get like different content with different bikes. But I get it, I see the comments, and I really genuinely like enjoyed riding this bike, and I have so much fun with it. I feel like I rode this bike like I dailied it the most. I did ride the H2. I put on more miles on the H2, but the H2 mainly, like it's a straightaway bike, you know, it's lowered, all that stuff, so it's not the same as this one. This one I took to a lot of canyons, I took to the track, so I'm like very comfortable on this bike is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I really don't know exactly what bike to take to the track next time, but as I said, let me know in the comments, help me decide, even though I'm positive that I'm gonna take the RSV4 unless something comes up and I'm like change my mind. That V4R spoils me though. That's like, it's a lot of bike. The V4R is definitely a lot of bike, but each bike is like fun in its own way. That's why I always recommend people to like try out different brands. Don't just stick with one brand, because they're so different, honestly. And I get that, like if you're comfortable on one bike, like you ride better because, you know, you're used to that, but trying out different bikes just, you know, gives you more room to improve and allows you to have more fun because you're trying out things that you haven't tried before. This one will always have a special spot in my heart. The interesting thing is that, like, as I said, both this, my R1M, and that new 2020 or 20, I think it's 2020, I don't know what year exactly that is, but the anniversary edition that I just rode, they're both tuned by the same person, but they felt very, very different. And I know like that handlebar, blah blah blah, I'm talking about like the power delivery. This one is definitely like a little more smoother. It has like less torque down low, but his felt like very torquey, but it wasn't like as smooth of a curve. So I don't know, this is not my good side, and this is not the best road either. miss riding this bike. It's weird, I didn't think I'm gonna miss it this much, but that's a lot of fun. The bike is actually due for, let's check my miles. I'm at 7,600. Probably at like 8,000, which is in like 400 miles. I should do spark plugs on this bike.